Diving into new experiences. Understanding, testing new waters. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, testing new waters. This expression is widely used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can add a lovely nuance to your English comprehension. So, let's get started and explore what it means to test new waters. Testing new waters is an idiomatic expression that means trying out new things, experiencing something different, or venturing into unfamiliar territory. It's often used when someone is exploring new opportunities, ideas, or challenges that they haven't faced before. The phrase conjures up the image of a person dipping their toes into a new body of water, unsure of what they'll find or how they'll react to the new environment. The phrase, testing new waters, likely comes from the nautical world, where sailors would venture into uncharted waters or territories. It symbolizes the courage and curiosity required to explore new areas, not knowing what might lie ahead. Over time, this literal meaning has evolved into a metaphor for any new exploration or experimentation in life. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. After years in marketing, Jenna is testing new waters by starting a career in graphic design. Our company is testing new waters with the launch of an innovative product line. Deciding to study abroad, he was excited about testing new waters in a different country. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal life changes to business strategies. There are several expressions in English that convey a similar meaning to testing new waters. These include venturing into the unknown, trying something new, exploring uncharted territory, breaking new ground. Understanding these expressions can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express the idea of embarking on new experiences in different ways. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, testing new waters. We hope this video has illuminated this expression for you and inspired you to embrace new experiences in your own life. Remember, testing new waters is all about growth, learning, and stepping out of your comfort zone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.